Running Kimono here. So we are going to be doing a little bit of coupon hauling today. We have Walgreens here. This was a really big money maker. We have Walmart here, clearance Lysol multi-surface cleaner. Hi. We've got some freebies and cheapies over at Meijer, and then we have some really inexpensive stuff over at Rite Aid, and then a little bit of coupon mail I'll talk about at the very end. A weather report for you guys, kind of a cool sort of a day. Michigan quite bipolar. I think it might be like 50 degrees outside today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so let's get right into this. This is a really good deal. Special shout out and thank you to YouTuber Jody Dunn, along with subscriber Wanda, who mentioned this to me. This is a really fantastic deal. So what I did, guys, was I bought $30 of Listerine. These are $7.99 each. And I had a spend $35, get $8 back in Walgreens cash. So buying 4 of these, I would still be a bit short. So I had to grab these clearance toilet bowl cleaners to get me to that $35 mark. So just to jog you through the math, we're looking at, these are the 1.5 liter ones. That's $31.96 for 4 of them. And then these 3, that's $3.87 on clearance. So adding all of this up together, all 7 items, that's $35.83. I got the cashier to scan the $8 of Walgreens cash when you spend $35. Now I had one insert coupon for this, and then I had 3 digitals for the rest. With that Listerine coupon, it's exceptionally strict, like 1 per household per day, and I did not want to get in trouble today, so I used 3 digitals and 1 paper, and I didn't have anything for this. So after all of that came off, I had to pay $31.83 cash out of pocket. So I used my debit card for that. Because I was using a spend booster, I had to pay cash for the balance, so cash bills. And then I got back about $23 in Walgreens cash, $8,000 for the booster, and then I got back $5 for every 10 I bought in Listerine. Now there's also supposed to be a $10 register reward when you spend $30 on these products, and Listerine is included, and the start date for this is May the 1st. May the 1st till the 30th. That did not print out for me, so I did get in touch with customer service and they just threw $10 on my store card. That was like super nice of them. Alternatively, you can write to the Catalina company, but there was no manager on the floor today, so I couldn't ask somebody to help me out, so I was kind of out of luck there. And then also there's some sort of promotion going on with Listerine that if you spend a certain amount, you're going to get back some sort of gift card. So I applied for that. And I think with the purchase of 30, I might get back $15 from that website. So tentatively, guys, this will be a $16.17 money maker for me. So, pay attention to the notes that are following, but this is a superb deal, especially if you use Listerine. The stuff is not cheap, and what a fantastic deal. Again, thanks to Jody and Wanda for the information. Now, as I was saying, these are on clearance for $1.29. In a separate transaction, I got 4 of them. That's $5.16. I used $5 of Walgreens cash. I paid 16 cents plus tax. For whatever reason, in my little town, toilet bowl cleaner is really hard to find. So even at $1.29, I'm definitely going to stock up on that. I got 7 today and I'm very delighted with it. So what a great little haul today over at Walgreens. Guys, just a couple more little things we're going to talk about. If you were hauling the Beneful dog food with that digital coupon, earlier in the week, you have a 7-day grace period with Ibotta to submit receipts. You're going to get back $2.50 from Ibotta because they have this rebate now, which is exceptionally generous. And if you're looking for these diabetic drinks, they're $10.99 at Walgreens. Unfortunately, they don't sell them here in this market. Using a $5 coupon from the Smart Source of March the 7th, you'll pay $5.99, get back $3 from Ibotta and $2 from Fetch. It shakes it out to 99 cents for a pack of these diabetic splendid drinks. So if you're looking for these kind of drinks, especially with the hotter weather, sometimes people with diabetes are harder to eat during the hot spells. So this might be something to pick up. So the next store, and I did this, I think on Monday, I got 10 of these Lysol Brand New Days in the Mandarin Ginger Lily scent. So this specific one started clearing at 75% in certain markets. I made an entire video. I'll link it at the end for you guys to check it out. So there was another shopper who went to the store before me and beat me to it. They left me this one that actually got in a fight. Look how dented it is. And they didn't buy this for 75 cents, but I bought it. So initially, guys, I only had the one. I paid for it 75 cents at checkout. Then I had this, brought it to customer service, and said to the lady, hey, I scanned this in the app and it says there's more in the store. I got that information from Brickseek, but when she put it in her system, she saw that there was more in the store. And I said, hey, is there any chance that somebody can help me? And she called a manager, and the manager went and got me this box with 9 of them inside. So it always helps sometimes if the numbers are not jiving with Brickseek to possibly ask, like, hey, could you possibly help me out? Ask in the nicest way. And they really helped me out because this was, I don't know if it was in the back room or on a sky shelf, but I could not reach it or get to it. But the manager was so friggin' nice. So I was really, really delighted with that to get 9 of these. As many of you know, we have did a huge overhaul in our basement, just remodeling the basement. And the one thing that we used a ton of in our stockpile was Lysol, the floor cleaner, and Pine Sol floor cleaner, because there was so much dust. So even getting 9 of these, I need it for my stockpile because I have very little of this. So delighted with this. And if you are curious to track some of this down, please check out the video linked at the very end. So we're going to talk about Meijer really quick. Meijer is a grocery store predominantly in the Midwest. And this one is kind of a little freebie and money maker. It's this company, Clean Cult. The packaging is supposed to be like package free and all this stuff. This really just did not take off, at least at the Meijers around here. So this is on clearance for $1.99. Ibotta has a $3 rebate, so it makes it free plus $1.01 money maker. Now this week, the Melinda Ghost Pepper hot sauces are $1.74 each. So for 2 of them, that's $3.48. We have a 3 off of 2 M-Perk, making it 48 cents for the 2. I mean, that's a really good price point. If you've got this included, it kind of makes all these items free if you think about it. So I did go to another Rite Aid, and the Rite Aid deals are really kind of slow this week. They're not wonderful. However, I did see this one display at a store and nothing was tagged. And I asked the cashier, I'm like, hey, could you do some price checks for me? She's like, absolutely. And all this stuff was ringing up for $1. And this is called Dollar Days. So these are bowl covers. These are some scouring balls. Scouring sponges, and I think I spent altogether like maybe 12 bucks on all this stuff, but stuff definitely gonna use. And then these dishcloths, I got a ton of them. I got all of them actually. And then these little lint rollers, and some of them are normal and some of them have like a little pet claw on top, which are kind of creepy. but $1/4 each, you can't beat that price point. And I just used some bonus cash to pay for this. Don't tell Ravi, he'll probably be upset with me, but it was a really good use of my bonus cash to get all this stuff, especially if you have fur babies. You know that you're probably always like removing fur from your clothes, but loving this little haul. We're gonna talk about is coupon mail. This came from California, my friend Sandra. We're gonna go through this really quickly because I talk a lot. She sells inserts plus clipped. So if you wanted to get 10 of these, I think it's like $1.50. You got to get a minimum of 2. So she has a new little Instagram page if you want to check it out. That's what I was talking about earlier, guys. So she sells them clipped or full inserts, because I know some of you don't want all of the inserts. You just want like a certain coupon. So I will leave her Instagram for her new page for that. Gonna have to use these this weekend, probably at the Dollar General. Anytime you guys want to look at these a little bit more thoroughly, just pause it. I really wish there was a Flintstone one this week, because there's so many deals at Rite Aid with that this week. You know, since the pandemic started, one thing I don't really buy a lot of is makeup, because I really want to get in and out of the stores fast. Listerine I'll go crazy for, but are you guys the same way? I don't even wear makeup anymore since the pandemic. Do that dog food deal, and everything's stuck together. I might go do that dog food deal because I'll donate it to the SPCA, because I know they always want food. Okay, the last one is the Super Saver. Next week at Rite Aid, this is going to be a really good one to use. And let's go look at Sandra's price boards. Okay, guys, so if you want clipped coupons, I believe it's $1.50 for 10. This is the page you're going to go to. It's called Clipped. So, you know, if you're just specifically looking for one thing, like $4 Bic razors or makeup or whatever, that's the page to go to. If you're looking for full inserts, here's the different prices. 5 of each, which is 20 bucks, is 15 with priority included. Jumping up to 10, it's 20. All of Sandra's information is in the notes. Check it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.